Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Kei. This is Kei's Plan Life. So really quick, I came to bring you guys the outfit of the day. So the outfit is this cute dress. Now this dress I got from Shein. It's a cute summer dress. I love the vibrant colors in it. I think I'm a sucker for a midi dress or a long dress that goes all the way to your ankles. Anything A-line, I am a sucker for that cut of dress. So I thought this would be perfect. So, oh, and the shoes. The shoes are just simple. I couldn't find any shoes to go with this. I probably could have wore some clear flats, but I just didn't want to. I love the pinks and blues and purples in this, so I said I'm just gonna put on a cute pink girly sandal and call it a day. Wearing a gold necklace. Excuse my nails, I have to do them today. Wearing these cute little earrings I got from Shein as well. My Samsung watch, my wedding ring. I have on 2 gold anklets. The scent of the day is from Føl̀væ and it's the Born to Impress, which is Empress, but it's, you know, when you say it, it's Born to Impress, but it's Empress. And then I have my Dooney & Bourke purse. Just because you see the reds and the blues, but you don't get a chance to really see those subtle hot pinks and light pinks in there. So I said I wanted to bring them out, and I feel like when you wear the shoes and the purse, it definitely brings the colors out on the outfit. Hair is, can't remember where I got this hair from. I want to say this was custom made, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to give the name if it's not the person that made the wig, but it's one of my faves. She's almost on the outs, so I'm trying to wear her as much as I can. I probably could revive her, but I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you a quick simple outfit of the day. I'm getting ready to go run some errands, and I just feel like when you going to run errands and take care of business, even if you're just stepping outside, do not save your best outfit for when you're going somewhere like dinner or brunch. Show up as your best every time. That means put on something nice every time and walk out that door. So I always try to make sure that I put on my best when I walk out, and I am really loving this dress. Details on this dress will be in the description box. Yeah. Remember to think smarter, spend smarter, and have fun planning it all out. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.